Now this is the moment that we've all been waiting for, I think. So my Walther PK380 Redemption Run. Loaded with Remington 380 from Walmart, Remington 380 from Bass Pro, and Blazer. So we're going to do these 3 boxes, and we got many, many more boxes we're going to try. So I got 1 magazine of each. And this is the, which one are you? The Remington. Okay. We'll do the Remington first. We'll do the other Remington, I guess, second. And then we'll do our Blazer. Do Blazer last. All right, Remington. 8 shots. And it's on fire, so we're good to go. I don't think she's thick so far. And the light check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, yeah, so we're pretty close to the middle. Alright. Next Remingtons. And the Blazer.
That's not good.
I'm going to keep this magazine on stage. Maybe it's the Blazer, but maybe it's the mag. Alright, we're going to load 3 more magazines with something else. Alright, so we're loaded up with 3 new mags. We got magazine number 1 is our American Eagle Federal. Magazine number 2 is Federal. Magazine, this questionable one that was doing not so good with the Blazer, now has the Fiocchi in it, so we'll see what's doing with that mag here in a second. So, first up, American Eagle Federal. Cycle it just fine. We had a light primer strike on one of them, but these guns do need a bit of a break in. This is a new slide, so I don't think I'm going to count that as a malfunction. Federal. Doesn't help if I cycle it. Fiocchi.
If I would have had a pocket, that casing would have landed right in it.
Doing pretty good on the accuracy. Next we'll do some, we'll make sure that this can hold self-defense ammunition. Alright, it's going to be 8 rounds of Porter D American Gunner, 90 grain. So these are what I plan on carrying in it. That it cycles. Last time, all 8 rounds with 0 malfunction. I'll try that again. I'm going to do all headshots, I think, this time. Much its accuracy. We'll do 8 headshots. aiming right here, and the majority of them over here, so I think it's slightly off to the left, but that guy kind of dispels that maybe, so. All right, we'll get loaded up again. I'll have my mom shoot the 380, and we'll see what's doing. Racket. Pull back. Walther PK380 Redemption. Malfunction. Eject the magazine. Eject the magazine first and then cycle it. Cycle it. Aim it down and pull the slide. Pull the slide and it'll fall out the bottom. Out the bottom. That's the final round, I guess, isn't it? Yes. Yep. All right, load, rack this one, load a round in. Now cycle it. Put it on safety. Put it on safety. Now eject the magazine. Now put that round in that magazine. Put this live round that just came out in that mag. You're upside down. All right, now you'll have 9 rounds in that one. So just put the magazine back in, take it off safety, and fire. Flip the safety up. Flip it up. Now you're on fire. Aim and fire. Keep a firm grip on the gun. Malfunction. Eject the magazine. Fire it again. It's cycled, so just fire it in double action. Just squeeze the trigger all the way and that hammer will go off. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, smooth. Malfunction. You got a malfunction of some sort. Malfunction. Malfunction. You got 2 rounds, I think. Malfunction.
Can I do a head?
Yeah, go ahead and do a headshot if you want. Let's see. Yeah, nice one. Malfunction. The final 2 you got 2 shots. Aim for the head. Go 2 in the head. 1. Malfunction.
Yep.
Last shot of blazer brass. Aim for the head. Nice. All right, go for it. This is the Federal 380 95 grain. Malfunction, press the slide forward. See if the slide will go forward. Just try to push it into battery. Now fire it. I think you're out. All right, load the next round of the next magazine of Federal. Alrighty. Malfunction, see if you can push it into battery. 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 There you go. You're out. Switch to the Fiochi. Last mag.
Seems like it's kicking more.
Go for the head. Empty the rest of the mag into the head. You're out. And it appears you're a better shot than Katie, because that was with you clearing malfunctions, and you did a pretty damn good job. Well, what do you think of the 380 compared to the 9mm? Excluding you having to clear all the malfunctions.
Malfunctions aside, it seems like I'm more accurate.
Well, this is a weaker cartridge, remember. A 9mm cartridge is bigger. A 380 is the same diameter as a 9, so you could actually put a 9mm or a 380 cartridge into a 9 and fire it. It just wouldn't have enough power to cycle the slide. But this is a weaker slide. It's a weaker caliber cartridge, so it generally has less recoil. And this is now some 380s have a lot of recoil, like Katie's little Ruger. That thing has a fuck ton of recoil because it's a small gun. This is a pretty big gun for a 380. I mean, it's like the size of some 9mm.
That's why I didn't think it was a 380 at first.
Alright, I'm back with the 380. I'm going to fire the rest of my rounds. I got an 8-round mag, 6-round mag, and then I got like 3 of them in this. So we're going to make sure that it can actually cycle all my Hornady through that, since that's what it'll be loaded with. So 4, 5, and 8, 6, and 3. 8, 6, and 3. Hornady. That little guy, my last 3 I've fired to the head fast. It seems to do fine with the Hornady. I don't think I'm going to sell the gun after all. It doesn't seem to do as well with these 3. These 3 boxes it does alright, and this it really fired flawlessly. There wasn't a single malfunction. Aaron, the 380 again. Fiochi 8 shots rapid fire. When you're ready, go. Go again. Again, fire. Quickly. Magazine, go! Again. Perfect. Alright, we're back to the Remington. Both boxes of Remington. 2 mags. PK380. We're going to see how this thing's loosened up a bit, if it makes a difference. Thumb on the damn magazine. Pretty good. shots rapid fire. Punch the center out. Just keep a firm grip on it. Reload.
You can tell those are all headshots.
You gotta pull back and let go, man. Malfunction. Maybe I forgot to cycle it. Or pull the trigger again. I thought I cycled it. Oh, you know what's on safe? It's on safe. I'm an idiot. Click the safety off. Press it up. Now your first shot will be double action. After that, it should be single action. There we go. One more mag.
What wrong?
8 rounds. Final 8. The last 5 as fast as you can. Go, go, go.